Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to repost Instagram story post you are tagged in to your story. This is great when you're hanging out with friends and family and you might be tagged on their Instagram story. By following the steps below, you can share the same moments to your Instagram story. I'll be demonstrating this on an Android phone, but it works the same way on an iPhone. When one of your friends or family member tags you in an Instagram post, you'll see a notification in your Activity tab. In the Activity tab, you'll see a story that mentions you. Tap on that story and the story will open up. It'll then give you the option to add this to your story. Go ahead and tap on that. Once you do that, it'll take you to the Instagram story editor, where you can customize that post with your own stickers, doodle or text. Once you're done, go ahead and tap on your story to share it to your Instagram story. And that is how to repost Instagram story post you are tagged in to your story. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this helpful. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more social media and tech tutorials like this. I'll see you in the next one.